to make this quick video real quick. I am going to show you guys how I am doing the boho hippie braids, but I also wanted to show you guys just the hair. When I say, guys, I love working with this hair. I have worked with many different textures, especially synthetic. I love working with synthetic hair that has that natural feel. And when I say Freetress, always, usually, never disappoint, as well as Kimma braid, never disappoint. But when I say I love these braids, if you are looking for a cute little boho braid style, and the good thing about it does not take super long, I love it. Again, it is the boho braid 12-inch. I have used the longer ones as well, and they are great too. But when I say I love the 12-inch, I loved it. It went in good. And one tip you want to do when you are putting these crochets in, make sure that you are paying attention to how you are laying the actual braid itself. So if you look at it, you will see that the curls are on the outside. So make sure when you're grabbing the hair and you putting the crochet in, the hair should be laying exactly how that, just like that. Okay, don't have that in the back. But if you make a mistake and do a couple like that, it's all right. But again, always pay attention to the way the crochet hair is laying so you can put it in properly. But again, I love this. Again, guys, I will show you pictures, and I'm also going to be doing a how-to video. Um, Merry Christmas as well. If I don't get this out by, hopefully I get it out before Christmas, but Merry Christmas. But again, I had to come to you guys with this beautiful hair. So check this video out. If again, I'll put pictures or a video at the end. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe for more. You know, if you subscribing, following, commenting, let me know how you like these videos. That's how my videos are able to be seen. And please also reshare, and all that stuff is free. And I just need your support. Okay. Take care, guys, and I'll chat with you later. And if you have used these, again, the Freetress Boho Hippie Braid, let me know how y'all like it as well in the comments, okay?
shouldn't she be on the other end of that phone call?